Hello viewers, welcome to Desi Tech School. In today's tutorial, we will see how to filter your data easily using advanced filtering. You can check or uncheck options to filter your data comfortably. Using advanced filters, you can remove duplicate data from your dataset. Additionally, you can use the OR and the AND logical functions to create more advanced filters. Let's see how. We have a table with class marks and their final grades, including student ID, student name, total marks, percentage, best subject, final grade from A to fail, and class ranking. When using advanced filters, you need to create a small separate table for the filter. The headers of this table should match the headers of your main table. The columns you want to filter will be in the filter headers. For example, in this example, I want to filter by best subject and final grade. So, I've created a filter table above it. This filter table will show that the filter should include subjects that are maths and the students with a final grade of A. Let's see how it works. First, go to the Data tab and click on Advanced under the Sort and Filter group. Excel will automatically detect the main table and select it. In the criteria range, click on the arrow and select the filter table and click on OK. Now, Excel will show records with maths as the best subject and a final grade of A. This is an AND condition filter. Let's clear this filter by clicking on Clear. Now let's move to our second example. You can see I have added another row. This filter means either the best subject is maths or the student has a final grade of A. Here we are using an OR condition. If this is blank, it means it will only search for maths subjects. If this is blank, it will only search for the final grade A and then give you the results. When you apply this filter, it will show you records where either the best subject is maths or the student has a final grade of A. Click on Advanced. Excel will automatically select the table. Select your filter and click OK. Now, you can see records with either maths as the best subject or a final grade of A. This filter is applying an OR logical operator. In our third example, we want to see subjects where the best subject is not maths. We will use the not equal to sign, which is less than and greater than signs together, like this. Not maths. We also want the final grade to be A. Clear the row below. Clear the filter first, then click on Advanced. Excel will select the table. Select the criteria table and click on OK. Now you can see the records where the best subject is not maths and the final grade is A or higher. If you want to filter out cases where maths is not included even in a group of subjects, you need to include a wildcard in your filter. Go to your filter and add a wildcard before and after maths. Use the wildcard symbol, which is an asterisk or the multiplication sign in Excel. Enter it and press enter. Now apply the filter again. So now the row with maths is not visible. In our next example, we included numbers. This shows if a position number is less than 6. It means position 1 to 5. And the grade is A. Let's apply this filter. Click on the table and then click on Advanced and select your criteria. And click on OK. Now it shows records with positions less than 6 and grades A or higher. In our last example, we made it a bit complicated. The filter says to show records where the student's position is less than 6, meaning positions 1 to 5, or show records where the student's grade is above 70 and the final grade is A. So click on the data, then advanced, select your criteria and click on OK. You see records where the position is less than 6. You also see records with no rank but a percentage above 70 and a final grade of A. So this was today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe and leave your feedback and requests in the comments. Thank you and goodbye until the next video.